Hi, today I explain about OSS security architecture. OSS full form is Open System Interconnection. OSI is used to transport data from sender to receiver, and it contains 7 layers. The user of those 7 layers, it can transport the data from sender to receiver. It contains it divided into 3 parts. First one, security attack. Security attack. Security attack means in India virus attack that can spread one device to another device. Example virus, a type of malicious software that can spread from one computer to another computer. Second, phishing, the process of sending fake emails. Third one, hacking, unauthorized access to computer system or network. Second, security mechanism. Security mechanism is used strategy and tools to use to protect our computer system and network from the security attacks. In this, we have 3 types. Firewalls. Firewalls are used to monitor and control the data, incoming and outgoing data from the computer system. Two-factor authentication. It is used to give extra large security to our computer system. Third one, security service. It is used to facilitating security data to our computer system to secure our system and our network. It is not the security service. In this we have types on security service types. One is reality. These three are security services. This is the OSI security architecture. Okay, thank you.